Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to delete all of your emails inside of Gmail in just a few simple clicks. So the first thing we're going to do is launch up our internet browser, and we're just going to head over to email from the top right here. And inside of my email client you can see I have tens of thousands of emails that I want to delete here. So obviously we can just go through this list individually and select the ones that we want to delete and then head over to this trash icon over here. However, because I have 11,000 emails, this is going to take absolutely forever to do this. So instead what we can do is come over to this little top left tab here and select all, and I could just delete all of the emails from this page, but the problem is if I press delete now, then it's just going to reload a bunch of new emails on a different page. So what you need to do to delete all of your emails at once in one simple click is just press this select button here, click on all, and then come over to this option here, select all 8,412 conversations in promotions. Now we've got selected all of our emails inside of this folder, and we can go ahead and just select the trash icon. And now as you can see here, this action will affect all of our conversations in this inbox, and once I press OK, this will now delete everything inside of here. If you wanted to be a little bit more selective of which emails you delete and which ones you keep, you can come back over to this selection here and just select emails that you've either read or unread. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you delete all of your emails in one simple click. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.